Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rups English. On this channel, I will be giving tips about how to solve a Rubik's Cube and how we can solve it as much as faster as we can. So today I will be show you how to move the Rubik's Cube's layer and how to read the notations of Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's get started. So this is the Rubik's Cube 3x3. This is the basic 3x3 level Rubik's Cube, which have 6 faces and 6 colors as well as. So there is blue opposite green, orange opposite red, and yellow opposite white. And it will be have 3 type of pieces. One will be center pieces. Center pieces will be inside center of each face. So there are number of center pieces are 6, and center pieces will be fixed because they will not move each other with respect to another center piece. After that we come to the edge piece. Edge piece will be a piece which have 2 stickers, that is called edge piece. So this is edge piece. The total number of edge pieces are 12, as there are 3 layers in 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so 4 edge piece in each layer, so there will be total edge piece will be 12. After that we come to corner piece. So corner piece will be a piece which have 3 stickers just like this. So these corner pieces are 8 in total number because 4 in up layer and 4 in down layer. Okay, this is about the basic. Just now we will know about the Rubik's Cube notations. Notation is what every move that we do in the Rubik's Cube, that will be represented by an alphabetical letter, and we can read also by some algorithms or any formulas that will be in form of notations. So let's get started. So we will name each face. So this is front face, and any movement in this face will be represented by F, letter F. This is right face, so any movement in right face will be represented by letter R, and same as in this left face, any movement there will be represented by letter L. After that we come to up and down. Any movement in upper layer will be U, and any movement in down layer will be D, and back layer any movement that will be represented by B. Okay, now we start the notation of Rubik's Cube. So firstly about right layer, if I will move this right layer upside, then it will be called R. If I will move like down this, that will be called R prime. In left layer, if I will move this down, then it will be called L, and if I will move it upside, then it will be called L prime. Now come to U and D layer, upper and down. So if I will push this forward, then it will be U. This is U. If I will push this backward from this finger, that will be U prime. And in case of D, if I will move this backward, that will be called D, and if I will move like forward, that will be called D prime. Now come to front and back layer. If I will move this front face clockwise, then it will be F. If I will move this anti-clockwise like this, that will be F prime. In case of B, from front, if I will move like this, this is anti-clockwise move, so this will be B. And if I will move a clockwise move there, then it will be called B prime. So these are the basic notes. Friends, please share and like this video, and any comments also will be welcome. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel before you go, and press bell icon so you will get every notification about cubing.